If this style is what you love to learn and recreate at the comfort of your home, I need you to stay around and watch this tutorial till the end. I'm going to hold your hand and teach you every simple steps you are going to use in creating this. It's just look big, but the steps in achieving it is simple. You can see me I already started this. You're going to grab that Aso-Oke and divide it into equal parts, which we call 50-50. Fold a bit in and place on your head. Go to the back and go across the hand, right to left, left to right. If that is done, grab first flap, just split it like just normal pleats, pick it up. Do the same thing for the other side, and you come to the center at the top like this and cross it right to left, left to right. Nothing serious. Now here is the next thing. After crossing it right to left, left to right, you're just going to pick a bit downward like this, grab your pin and secure down. So after securing this particular place, all you need to do is just watch me and see what I'm going to do to the other side as well. Basically, it's just the same thing that I do to this side. I'm going to repeat to the other side. Pick a little bit, grab your pin and use it to secure. So for the remaining part, I will leave you guys to watch how I achieve that simple design at the top, because I need you to watch. I think I've explained the most important part of it. This remaining one is straightforward. Let me leave you to it to watch and recreate at the comfort of your home. Don't forget, after watching or now that you are watching, subscribe to this channel for more simple headwrap tutorials. Leave a beautiful comment. Do you find this helpful? Do you want me to create more styles? You can also drop any style that you see and you want me to recreate in the comments. I'll be waiting for them. And finally, don't forget to share this video, right, for people that I think might really need this. And as you can see, I am almost done. I'm almost done here. I just match it two together at the center, and the remaining one is going to be my hand to adjust all places I feel it's needed to be adjusted, and that's it. So try, grab your material, grab your pin and recreate this simple style. Let me know what you feel about the set wrap, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Keep watching Crown and Confidence. Peace out.